Good morning, Saheli.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, today let's start our next lesson, frequency distribution. In grade 9 also you have learned about frequency distribution. I think you can remember. And there you have learned about group data and ungrouped data. And also you have learned about group frequency distribution. So in grade 10 also you have to learn more about group frequency distribution. It means if there are so many data, we have to arrange those data when we are calculating anything. We have to first arrange data by using class intervals. I think you can remember. Yeah. Like this, we have to make class intervals and then we have to take frequency here. If it is 3, 2, like that, it will be frequency like this. So these are known as frequency distribution. I think you can remember that one. So then, in grade 10, you have to learn about frequency distribution. And especially in this lesson, you are going to learn how we find the mean. Now, already you know the meaning of mean. Now, we are going to learn mean of group frequency data distribution. Okay. ඔයාලා grade 9 වල තේක ඉගෙන ගත්තේ නෑනේ. දැන් අපි මේ පාඩමේදී කරන්න යන්නේ group frequency distribution වල mean එක හොයන්න කොහොමද කියලා තමයි ඔයාලා මේ පාඩමේ ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ. So for that, first of all you have to do is you have to find mid value. Mid value කියලා එකක් හොයන්න ඕනේ. The meaning of this mid value is how we first I'll explain how we find that. When we considering about these class intervals, the way of finding this mid value is just at these upper class value and lower class value. Now already you know what is the meaning of upper class and lower class. Here upper class, lower class. So to get the mid value, you have to first add these two values, just add these two values. Then here according to this one, it's 8 plus 10. Then after getting the sum of those two values, upper and lower, you have to divide it by 2. Okay. Then 8 plus 10 divided by 2. Here is 8 plus 10 is 18. Then 18 divided by 2, what is the answer? Answer is 9. Okay. So we can say the mid value of this class interval is equals to 9. Can you understand? දැන් අපි මේ කරන්න යන්නේ mean එක හොයන්න තමයි යන්නේ group frequency distribution වල. මේ කියන්නේ මේ වගේ class intervals දීලා තියෙන ඒ වගේ කියන්නේ ගොඩක් data තියෙන වෙලාවට අපි class intervals ලියන්නේ. අන්න ඒ වගේ තියෙන වෙලාවක ඒ වගේ group distribution එකක අපි mean එක හොයන්න තමයි දැන් යන්නේ. දැන් අර අපි කලින් අර පොඩි කාලේ හෙව්වනේ mean එක නිකන් දීලා තියෙන data වලනේ. දැන් හොයන්නේ ගොඩක් දීලා තිබ්බොත් කොහොමද mean එක හොයන්නේ? අන්නේ mean එක හොයන්න අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම mid value කියලා එකක් හොයන්න. හොඳද දැන් මට කියන්න මෙතන යනකම් තේරුණාද? සහේලි? හරි. Okay. So here this is the method of finding mid value. Now let's see how we find mid value of the second one. What is the method? Just add these two values. 10 plus 12 divide by 2. 10 plus 12 is 22. Then 22 divided by 2, what is the answer? It's 11. So you can understand the mid value of this second class interval is 11. So let's see the third one also. They are just at these two values, 12 plus 14 divided by 2. Then here answer is 26 over 2. Then the final answer is 30. Okay, this is the way how we find the mid value. Okay, මට කියන්න නම් දැන් තේරුම් නැති මොනවද තියෙනවද? පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙන mid value එක ඉගෙන ගන්න. තේරුණාද ඔක්කොම දේවල් ටික? චාරු?
ඔව් teacher.
හරි. දැන් එහෙනම් ඔන්න. දැන් අපි මේ mean එක හොයන්න යනකොට දැන් මතකනේ group frequency distribution වලදී අපි table එකක් ඇඳලා ඒ table එකේ මොනවද මේ අපි class intervals ලියනවා පළවෙනි එක. දැන් ඒ order එකක් මතක තියාගන්න. අපි දැන් මේ mean එක හොයන්න යන්නේ. First we have to make a table. Now we have to construct a table. There you have to first include as the first column, you have to include the class interval. Okay. Here is class interval, first column. දැන් මේ පිළිවෙල මතක තියාගෙන මේ විදිහට තමයි දිගටම කරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. First you have to draw you have to construct a table like this. And the first column must be class interval. Name it as class interval. If it is given, you can write here class intervals. Then the next one must be, it is better if you can write the next column as mid values, because we need to take the mid values from the class intervals now. So it is better if you can write the next column as mid values. If not, you can take the frequency also. Okay. Then after that, next one must be frequency. Third column is frequency. After that, when you are finding the mean, there are some other columns. I'll explain the rest of this lesson after finding the mid values. Okay, then maybe now let's see first one. The marks obtained by several grade 10 students of a certain school has been grouped and tabulated as follows. Table is given. You have to complete the mid value columns. Very simple. First one is complete the mid value column. So the first one is, first class interval is 11 into 20. Then what you have to do to find the mid, 11 into 20. Then to find the mid values, you have to add these two values. Then 11 plus 20, then divided by 2. Then the answer is 31 over 2. Now it's been decimal value. Doesn't matter, mid values can contain decimal values also. Then the answer is equals to 15.5. This is the answer. They tried it here. මේ කෑල්ල ගණන් හදන තැනම වෙයි කරත් කමක් නැහැ. ඔයාලා කටවැඩි කොල එක කරත් කමක් නැහැ. හරිද? මේවට නම් ලකුණු හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. පේපර් එකේ මේ වැලියු එක හරියට එන්න ඕන. තේරුණාද කියන්න මට මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? හරි. දැන් අනිත් දේවල් ඔක්කොම උගන්නලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් second one බලන්න, what is the size of each class interval? දැන් ඒවා එහෙම දන්නා මතකයි නේද? size එක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා? class intervals වල per class මේ class දෙකේ lower class එකේ upper class එකේ difference එක ගත්තාම අපිට size එක එනවා. ඊට පස්සේ what is the model class? මොකද්ද model class කියන්නේ? frequency එකේ වැඩියෙන්ම තියෙන එකට අපි ඒකේ තියෙන class interval එකට අපි කියන model class එක කියලා. මතක නැත්නම් මම කිව්වා. හරි. දැන් එහෙනම් example number 1 කරන්න බලන්න. දැන් තනියම කරන්න පුළුවන්. සාහෙලි මොකුත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ නේද මේ ටිකේ? මේ පාඩමේ? නෑ නේද?
නෑ.
හරි. එහෙනම් පළවෙනි එක කරලා මට එවන්න. I have already given the equation for finding mid values here. Mid value of a class interval equal upper value plus lower value divide by 2. That is the equation. You don't need to write that equation. Just take the value and complete the table. It's correct, Saheli. Now try next one, example number 2. And send me the answers for next 2 questions also. For the second one and third one. සහේනි මේ පළවෙනි එකේ class size එකට size of each class interval එකට එන්නේ
ටීචර්
10.
එක 10නේ.
ඔව්
ඔව්
10
මම
එන්නේ.
ඒක පස්සේ දැම්මා.
ඔව්. දන්නවනේ ඔයන විදියනේ.
ඔව් ටීචර් මම දැම්ම මට වැරදිලා 9
ඔව් හරි.
දැම්මේ.
දැන් උත්තරේ හරි. හරි. අනිත් උත්තරත් හරි. දැන් ඊළඟ ටික කරගෙන යන්න කරලා මට උත්තරේ වෙන්න. example number 2 3 විතරක් කරන්න. 2 එකයි 3 එකයි.
ටීචර් 3 එක පොඩ්ඩක් පෙන්නන්න.
ඔව් හරි. Answers are correct, Saheli. Very good. Saheli, finish third one. Saheli.
හරි ටීචර් කරා.
හරි. සහේලි මේ mid values වල දෙවෙනි එක 27.5 නේද? වැරදිලා ටයිප් කළා මම හිතන්නේ. හරි. Hi, that is correct. Okay, now let's move to the next part of this lesson. Now you know how to find the mid values of any frequency distribution. Now the next one is, let's see how we find the mean of the given distribution by using mid value. So here I have drawn a table. You can see there are 5 class intervals. So when you are finding the mean, first you have to find the mid values. First you have to consider, when you are constructing the table, first draw the class interval column, then the second column must be mid values column. So here first let's find the mid values. And I have to tell you, when you are doing the first 3 examples, I think you can understand there's a pattern. When you are finding at least first 3 mid values of given distribution, you can see a pattern. So you don't need to find the next mid values. You don't need to calculate. Just by using that pattern, you can write the answers for rest mid values. So here, let's see. First one, 8 plus 4 divided by 2. Answer is here 12. 12 divided by 2, answer is 6. So here it must be 6. Then let's see the next one. 8 plus 12 divided by 2. Answer is 20 divided by 2, answer is 10. So the next one must be 10. Then can you tell me the third mid value? 14, 18. Yes, it must be 14, 18. What is the last one, Saheli? What is the last mid value? It is you.
22.
Yes,
22.
it is 22. Very good. Now we got the answer for mid values. Already frequency column is given now. So I have in the frequency column. Then the next thing you have to do when you are finding the mean is, and I have to tell you before that, the meaning of this mid value is, this value we can consider, this number 6 is representing whole this class interval. This class interval is from 4 to 8 now. So the all values are representing from this mid value 6. So when we take the next one, number 10, this mid value is representing class interval 8 to 12. So the meaning of mid value is, it's representing the given related class interval. So here the next column must be, the fourth column must be, when you are finding the mean, the next column must be fx. Now already you know the meaning of f. F means frequency. Frequency, for the word frequency, we can use the letter f. So then, for the mid values, for the word mid value, we can use the letter x. Then, in the fourth column, you have to take the product of these two, f, x. It means you have to multiply the letter f and x. According to the first row, you can see f is 3, x is 6. So to complete this column, you have to multiply f and x. So here 6 into 3. What is the answer? It's 18. No? So the first answer is 80. Like that, you have to complete the column, fx column by multiplied f and f. It means frequency and mid-value. Can you understand?
Yes.
So let's complete here. 7 into 10, answer is 70. Then 15 into 40. What is the answer? හරි නේද? මම ලියලා තියෙනවා.
හරි 150.
Uh,
210.
210.
Then 18 into 11. What? ඊළඟ එක so what? Then after completing fx column, the next thing you have to do is you have to get the sum of fx column and x column, f column, okay? Frequency column and fx column. For that, you can draw another box after fx column and also frequency column like this. Okay, so here, I think you know to get any sum, there's a symbol for that. Symbol. මෙන්න මේ සිම්බල් එක අපි පාවිච්චි කරන මොකක් හරි විදිහක සම් එකක් තියෙනවා.
හරි
සම් එක සිග්මා. හරිද? සිග්මා කියනවා අපි මොකක් හරි විදිහක සම් එකට. හොඳද? එතකොට when we take the frequency, sum of all these to represent the sum of all these frequencies, we have to write it as sigma f. The meaning is sum of all these frequencies. Is it okay, Saheli?
Yes, teacher.
So here sigma f. For that you have to add these all values. Let's get here. It's 40. Then the fx column also you have to get the sum. For that you can write sigma fx. Okay. The meaning is the total, if not the sum of fx column, these values. Let's get the sum. 564. Again, 84 name.
84. හතරයි කරා.
84 name.
සෙන්ටර්
Honey? 84. 584. Then, now we are going to find the mean now. So, to find the mean, the equation for that is mean equal. First, when you are finding the mean, you have to write this equation. Mean equals sigma fx divided by 1 over sigma f. This is the mean we can make that. So the equation, if a formula to find the mean is sigma fx, sigma fx over sigma f. Okay, so you have to remember this one. So then we have already got the answer for sigma fx and sigma f. So here sigma fx is equals to 584. They divide by 40. Answer clear then 14.6 ne then 14.6 n. How do that?
Oh, it's for
14.6 is the answer for me. So this is the way. So this is the answer to me, and this is the way how we find the mean by using the mid values. So tell me, is there any problem in this part?
no, teacher.
Okay, so I got into my mind. හරි. එහෙනම් දැන් පළවෙනි එක තනියම කරන්න බලන්න. මේක නම් මම ටියුට් එකේ දාලා නැහැ. තනියම පළවෙනි ගානේ කරන්න බලන්න. ඒකෙදි හැබැයි ටේබල් එක අනිත් පැත්තට ඇඳ ගන්න. ඒක ලේසි මේ අතට ඇඳ ගන්න එක දීලා තියෙන අනිත් අතටනේ. මේ පල්ලෙහා අතට ඇඳගෙන මේ ලියන්න. දැන් ඔන්න මතක තියාගන්න මම කිව්වා ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ක්ලාස් ඉන්ටර්වල්ස්
Teacher,
වලට පස්සේ
teacher.
දැන් දැන් මේකේ මේ පළවෙනි එක්සැම්පල් එකේ ටේබල් එකේ තියෙන මේ අතටනේ. එහෙම ඇඳ ගන්න එපා මේ විදිහට ඇඳ ගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් මේකේ පළවෙනි එක මෑස්නේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. තේනනේ? ඒක අමාරු නේ පැත්තට ගත්තොත් ඒකෙන්ද කිව්වේ. කරන්නක බලලා මට එවන් ෆොටෝ එකක් අමුතරේ.
හරි ටීචර්.